Are we rolling?
Yeah, dude.
Right now, we are going to the location. This is actually the only legitimate in-person thing we have done so far, and will do before the actual film. Going to do like a tech scout, kind of. We've already like okayed the location, so it's where we're shooting. But we're meeting Josh, the DP, and Michael, the gaffer, and kind of just going over like the practical stuff and make sure that there's going to be no surprises on the day, that we don't show up and all of a sudden, we have to get a piece of equipment we didn't think we needed or whatever it may be. It'll just give us a little bit of time to check things out, talk things over, plan things out. That way when we show up on set, it's going to be easy. And also the other thing is scheduling. Once we talk to them, I'm going to make the schedule hopefully next week. And we kind of want to know, like, if they're like, oh no, let's do these two scenes back to back for whatever reason, for some equipment reason. So chatting it up with them is going to be fun. We're doing it vlog style. Dang. Hi, how's it going?
Okay.
Here to meet with Lori. The dining room's in the back. And then we also have the room that they're doing construction on right now. It's going to be like the office. So that's supposed to be done soon. So hopefully nothing goes wrong. Hair and makeup and the wardrobe hang out up here. This way, it's literally...
This is literally where they do hair.
Yeah, so it's kind of nice because they'll have like chairs they can sit and hang out. I'm assuming this will kind of be the hangout room for everybody. So this way, everyone can chill, relax. There's some space. Everyone can space out. I mean, this place is awesome. Like, I wish we could use every one of these rooms. Who's gonna do the catering? She can set everything up and be ready to cater. So I don't see a desk that's big enough. But I mean, I'm not sure. Maybe there's something.
Currently getting a scan of the environment. Going really slow. Getting all the corners.
This would be good for VFX, right?
Yeah, so essentially what I'm gonna do is use this to create like a previs. I just have to make sure Cameron's not in the shot, but I'm just getting the floor, getting the walls, getting the general dimensions of like the room, so I'm like getting the ceiling.
Also, what about like VFX?
Yeah, so this could be used. It's not quite an HDRI, so if you want to put the Rickety Man in, and if let's say if the 3D, like the actual physical puppet, like doesn't work in a shot, or you want to add him in the background, or if you want to do anything extra, you'll be able to kind of go in and use this 3D scan as like an environmental lighting for your scene.
How's it going? Because there is so many, we could do that part when it gets dark. Yeah. So that way, if we practice that portion, that would be the only part that would have to be at night.
Okay, yeah, I see.
And the advantage is so I did the math. It'll get dark around like 8:30.
Mm-hmm.
Works
I
for
don't
me.
know what you think, Josh.
Yeah,
I can do a little bit of both too.
Yeah, yeah.
I can give you the story order, and then I can give you like the why I thought I should break it up.
The kids?
I know.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
These are the two kids.
Yeah. I mean, so yeah, like I was saying, we can take anything we want from any room and use it. We just start like on a, I don't know, like a 50 or something, and we start on the clock, and then we slowly push this way as we pan over to Edward. So that way we're minimizing the in-out thing.
Yeah. Let me look at this script here again real quick. This is when she's already in the room, or before
This is before, because he's like writing and he's talking. So he is writing the first part here.
Okay. Yeah, so there's a good couple of minutes that we do that, and then before she comes in, right?
Yep, so he's writing, maybe give it like, 15 seconds or so, not too long.
Yeah.
About that Dana move for a second, because where
Yeah.
do you think you would line up? Just because you can only have so much track, and I've got like a 6-inch riser that lets you get have a little bit more track in front of you, but you can only have so much sticking out in front of you for you.
Yeah.
To sort of, be at an off angle or something, just to...
Because how close do you want to get to the
I know,
book.
if you're talking about here, then we would have to have the track on this. So.
Right, and then how are we going to turn around and see this?
I mean, if we do, I think we should still try it. Maybe have her standing on the stairs, just completely still, out of focus. Like, I mean, to the point where we can barely see her. Like, you'd have to watch it maybe 2-3 times back and be like, oh, she's back there.
Seems like it's going to be a little bit jumpy to me, but I'm not sure if there's any way around that.
So let's see, it comes in, we see the plates, we see her eating.
We could go from this doorway here.
It's beautiful.
I just thought the sign-on could be cool and we could have like a light.
Yeah, we got it. Yeah, because I did a test. The oil lamp is definitely not bright enough. Yeah. So we're definitely going to have like some type of boomed light. Yeah, no, exactly.
But like,
So we might, I mean, we can play it, you might fall in love with it to be, you know.
Well, the other thing is too is, so that might, from a practical standpoint, the big concern I had was we were going to have a night shoe, not a night shoe, I mean, we're going to be done like, 10 years. It's not like. Hey everyone, so we are super excited to be offering a massive behind the scenes experience for the Rickety Man. So this is basically a top to bottom look at how we produced this short film for $20,000 raised on Kickstarter. And we're going to talk everything from creating a Kickstarter to getting good stories to production meetings and Zoom meetings and casting, all the way through production to actually shooting the film and then post-production. So editing, Foley, sound effects, music, all that kind of stuff. This is going to be honestly hours and hours of content, probably 5 to 6+ hours of content. So right now you can pre-order on our website. Check it out, blackmountainvisuals.com/store. And again, that is a pre-order, probably going to come out in December of 2021. It is on sale because it's a pre-order, but it's going to be more expensive when it comes out later. So if you want to get that, go check it out right now. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and catch you guys later.